In considering Shariah Audit Exercise of an Islamic financial institution, IFI, we need to understand the intention of this exercise. Shariah Audit actually enables Shariah guidelines, rules, regulations, and standards to be in place and adhered to. This is an assurance for Shariah compliance performance for IFI. Shariah auditors, among others, is expected to have these 3 pointers. Firstly, to establish procedure to gather evidence based on available documents and ensure that all relevant products have been reviewed by Shariah Supervisory Board and that actually these products are compliant with Shariah rules and principles. Secondly, verify transactions comply with fatwas, rulings, and guidance of IFI's SSB. And thirdly, review relevant findings made by stakeholders of an IFI. Shariah audit procedure would cover 3 pointers here. Firstly, it would be planning on review procedures. This shall be planned to enable it to be completed efficiently. The plan shall be adequately developed to also include a complete understanding about the IFI's operations in terms of products, size of operations, its locations, branches, subsidiaries, and divisions. The planning shall include obtaining a list of fatwas, rulings, as well as guidelines issued by SSB. Understanding the activities, products, and management awareness and attitude towards compliance with the Shariah is essential. This will have a direct effect on the nature, extend the timing of the Shariah review procedures. The plan shall be properly documented, including the sample selection criteria and sizes, taking into consideration complexity and frequency of transactions. The review procedures shall be designed based on relevant input. The review procedures shall cover all activities, products, and locations. These procedures shall ascertain whether the SSB approved transactions and products have been undertaken and all related conditions have been met. Secondly, executing review procedures and preparing working papers. The SSB review procedures shall normally include to obtain an understanding of the management's awareness, commitment, and compliance control procedures for adherence to the Shariah reviewing of contracts documents. Ascertaining whether transactions entered into during the year were for products authorized by SSB. Reviewing other information and reports such as circulars, minutes, operating and financial report, policies, and procedures. Consultation with advisors such as external auditors and discussing findings with the IFI's management. The execution of the review procedures shall be documented in work papers, which shall be complete, neat, and be able to be cross-referenced, cross-referred to review procedures. Thirdly, documenting conclusions and reporting to shareholder. The SSB shall document their conclusions and prepare their report to the shareholders based on the work done and discussions held. The SSB report shall be read at the annual general meeting of the IFI. A detailed report, when warranted, shall also be issued to an IFI's management. The SSP shall implement adequate quality control policies and procedure. This is also to ensure that the review is conducted in accordance with this standard. Quality control procedures may also include review of all work papers. This is to ensure that review procedures were properly understood and executed. Any additional discussion may be held with the IFI's management if required. This is to ensure that all significant matters were covered during the review. The advanced development of IFI demands for an auditing instrument which can fulfill the unique requirement of the industry. So among others, there are two issues that I would like to highlight here. Firstly, it would be lack of research, especially empirical based research in the field of auditing from Islamic perspective, and the many unresolved issues regarding the conceptual and practical dimension of Shariah audit. I would also opine that Shariah audit should be performed by new professionals called Shariah auditors with certified Shariah audit qualifications. Shariah auditors should also be appointed by a new independent body dedicated to oversee Shariah practice in the IFI. This would enhance and establish a better standard of Shariah auditors selections as candidates, and at the end to appoint the best quality Shariah auditor. Thank you.